Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to say hello again.
Alright, man. What you need to seriously leave.
Stop it! Stop it!
He's laughing. Alright, man. Well, like, good luck with those things. Oh my god, why are you laughing? What the fuck are you laughing?
But I think we can get somewhere, you know, we could be big. But we got James. James is good. He loves to do the guitar. He's good. He's a good guitarist. So I bet he believes that we can get somewhere. But the fact that you're not showing any sympathy or any compassion for this band, go, leave, skadoo, au revoir. Since we did that in the
Compose yourself, Jack.
You went well, fuck you. No, I got some bad news, man.
What's the bad news?
Oh fuck. Stop it. Shit, let's record it.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces.
Alright, man. Boy, I hate you. Stop doing it!
Not even looking.
You were going like that! I'm breaking up a band, man. I'm leaving.
Oh, why?
I just don't keep going. I hate you. I really hate you. I can't do it. I'm not looking at you now.
Don't worry.
I've done with that.
Oh, is it
That
recording?
means go.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Shit.
I shall cut.
Hey, stop.